Hello everyone, today our topic is how to share Telegram images to LinkedIn. So here my objective is that whenever I receive a new image in my Telegram group or Telegram channel, then automatically I want to share a new post with this image on my LinkedIn account. So for that I have to build a connection between Telegram and LinkedIn. So for creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Telegram. In Action application, I'm going to use LinkedIn. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can connect Telegram bot and LinkedIn together. So here my objective is that whenever I get an image shared as a message in my Telegram group or Telegram channel, then I want to capture the details of that message and automatically I want to share this image on LinkedIn. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Telegram and LinkedIn. And for creating this connection, I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to share Telegram images to LinkedIn. And I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first and here my trigger application will be Telegram bot. So I'm going to select Telegram bot here and I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and set webhook/watch updates will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and I have to connect Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and to connect Telegram bot, I have to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that, I have to go to Telegram and in Telegram, I have to use BotFather to create a new bot. So for that, let me take you to Telegram. And for using the BotFather, what you need to do is you need to search BotFather in the search bar and you will find this bot. I will first start this bot and here I have to create a new bot. So I'm going to select this option of /new bot and here I have to give the name to my bot. So I'm going to give a name as Pabbly Connect 483 and I'm going to send this message. Now I have to give a username. So before giving the username to my bot, I have to keep one thing in my mind that my username should always end with _bot. So my username will be Pabbly Connect 483 _bot and I'm going to send this message. And this has generated this token and I have created this bot. So I'm going to copy this token and I'm going to open my bot. And here I'm going to start my bot. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have to paste my token. So I'm going to paste that token here. And I will click on save. And here I have successfully connected Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to create a new group on which I want to send the messages or receive messages. So I will go back to Telegram. And for creating a new group, I have to click here on this pencil icon and I will click on new group. And in this group, I have to add all the members that I want to add in my group and I have to add my bot that I have just created. So I'm going to add my bot here and other members and I'm going to click on next. And now I have to name my group. So my group name will be Telegram LinkedIn integration and I'm going to create this new group. And this is my group. I'm going to show you the members. And in my group, I have these two members. Now what I need to do is I need to use my mobile phone and in my mobile phone, I have to open my Telegram application And in my Telegram application, I will open my group, which is Telegram LinkedIn integration. And in my group, I have to promote my bot as an admin so that I can send new messages in my group and I can retrieve those messages details in Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to use my mobile phone. And now we can see that I have promoted my bot as an admin. Now I'm going to close this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for response. Now how I'm going to get this response? For that, I have to send a message on my Telegram group. So I will go back to Telegram. And in my group, I'm going to share a new image with a caption. So I'm going to attach a new file and I will upload a photo. So this is the photo that I want to upload and I have to write a caption here. So my caption will be nature at its best and I'm going to send this image. So here I have sent this message with this image. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have this response. So in this response, we received this file ID. And this file ID is for our image that we have sent on our Telegram group. And we have this unique ID for our file. And here we have these other details. So this is the name of our sender, which is demo. Last name is test. And this is the name of our group, which is named as Telegram LinkedIn integration. And this is a chat ID. Now here what we have is we have this file ID. And here we are receiving all the details of the messages that we are receiving on our group. Now what I need to do is I need to first set up a filter through which what I'm going to get is that whenever I will receive an image, then only this workflow will work. So for that, I have to set up my action step. And here my action application will be filter. So I'm going to select filter here. And for the action event, I'm going to open this tab and filter values will be my action event. And I'm going to connect filter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. And here we have these three tabs, select label, filter type and value. So whenever I will receive an image or any file, then I'm going to get the file ID in my response. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to map that file ID here in the select label. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to open the response of Telegram bot. And here we have received this photo file ID. So I'm going to map this. So we are only going to get this photo file ID whenever we receive a new image. So here in the filter type, I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select this option of exist. So in my response, whenever I will have a photo file ID, then only this filter will work and I will get a response of success. And whenever I will get a response of success, then it means that I have an image in my message. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here our condition is true. Now here I have this file ID, but what I need is I need a path URL for this file ID. For that, I have to retrieve the details of the file. So here I have to add another action step and here my action application will be Telegram. So I'm going to use Telegram bot again and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and get a file will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and now I'm going to connect Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect and I have already connected Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection. So I'll click here on save and now I have to give a file ID. So I have received this file ID in my trigger response. So I'm going to map that here and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tab and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Telegram bot and this is my photo file ID. So I'm going to map this. And here we have this important note which says the file can be downloaded via the link and this is the link from which I can download this file where file path is taken from the response. So I'm going to get the file path from this response and with the use of this link, I can download this file. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button and here we have received this response. So in this response, we got this file path. Now what I need to do is I need to create a URL or a link so that I can download this file and I can share it on my LinkedIn account. So for that, I have to add another action step. And here I'm going to use Imgur. So Imgur is an application which will be helping me to download this file and create a link so that I can share it on LinkedIn. So I'm going to search for Imgur and I'm going to select Imgur here. And I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and upload image will be my action event. And I'm going to connect Imgur with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect and I will click on add new connection and I will click on connect with Imgur. So here in my browser, I have already logged into Imgur. That's why it has detected that. And here I have to click on allow to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Imgur. Now I have these tabs. So first I have to give my image URL. So I have to open this tab of Telegram bot first. And here we have this link. So I'm going to copy this whole link and I'm going to open this tab of Imgur. And I am going to paste that link here. Now in this link, I need the bot token. So I have to go back to Telegram. I will open bot further and I'm going to copy this token one more time. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And in this position of token, I'm going to paste my bot token. Now I need the file path. So I'm going to clear this and I'm going to map this file path from the get file response of Telegram. So I'm going to open this response. And here in the result, we have this file path. So I'm going to map this. So my image URL link is completed. Now I have to give a name to my image. So I'm going to give a demo name. So I'm going to name it as test.jpg. So this will be my name. And I have this tab of title and description, but I don't need this title and description from Imgur. So I'm going to leave these tabs blank and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we have the response. And in the response, we can see we have this data link and we are going to use this link to share this image on LinkedIn. So this is what we wanted and I have received this link. So this is the link of my image that I have shared on my Telegram group. So in the last, what I need to do is I need to share this image on LinkedIn as a post. So for that, I will add my last action step. And here my action application will be LinkedIn. So I'm going to select LinkedIn here and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and share an article on URL will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I will connect LinkedIn with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with LinkedIn. And here I have successfully connected LinkedIn with Pabbly Connect. Now I have selected my author from whom I'm posting this new post on LinkedIn. Now I have to give the content and in the content, I'm going to map the caption of my image. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Telegram bot. And in this, I have this caption which says nature at its best. Now I have to give the article URL. So we have received this link of image from Imgur. So I'm going to map that. So I'll click here. I will open the response of Imgur. And in the last, I have this data link. So I'm going to map this. I have filled all my required details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have shared a post automatically on my LinkedIn account. Now to check this, let me take you back to LinkedIn. And here on my profile, I have this all activity section. And in this section, we can see I have just posted this new post with this link that I have received on my Telegram group. So here we can see we have the same link and the caption of this post is nature at its best. And we have shared this image automatically on my LinkedIn account as a new post. So whenever I'm getting a new image on my Telegram group, then automatically I'm receiving that image and I'm sharing that image as a new post in LinkedIn. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this connection between Telegram bot and LinkedIn in such a way that whenever I'm receiving a new image on my Telegram group, then automatically I'm sharing that image as a new post in LinkedIn. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Telegram bot and my trigger event was set webhook/watch updates. Then I have set up my filter so that I can use the messages that have images in my group. Then I have used another action step. In this, my action application was Telegram bot and my action event was get file. After this, I have used Imgur as my action application and my action event was upload image. And in the last, I have used LinkedIn and my action event was share an article or URL. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.